Okay, let's try one more snow angel. Oh, the ground is not nearly as we lost some depth and crustiness on there. That hit hard. That wasn't a good one. Let's try it again and see if I keep from busting my asphalt back. This is a little deeper and crustier, so let's see. Nope, it's still fucking too hard. Ow, that's like just hitting the damn ground. Ugh. I'm too old to be throwing myself on the ground at this. See, I can't even crunch it. I can't even get any separation on it. Looks like I've missed the window for for good snow angels, but not for banging my damn head around.